Italians have a saying, dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing. The sweetness in appreciating the stillness and noticing the little things and simply being. Our lives can get so busy, we become distracted. Our schedules fill up, and we confuse non-busyness with boredom. What if we carved out more time in our lives for more moments of nothingness and chose to really enjoy it? Cheers to making more time to do nothing today, by yourself or with someone you love. May we savor the sweetness of it. Dolce far niente. Buon appetito.